Dog snuggled up in his warm, comfy bed. Cozy, thought Dog. Then in waddled Goose. You look so cozy, she said. And she got into bed beside him. Goose snuggled up to the dog. In strolled Cat. Oh, I'd like to be cozy like that too, she said. Cat climbed in with Dog and Goose. Along came some rabbits. We want to be cozy too. Can we be cozy too? Yes, they can. The rabbits hopped in with Cat, Goose and Dog. Mummy Bear and Baby Bear plodded along. Can we come and cozy up with you, they asked. Mummy Bear and Baby Bear curled up with the rabbit, the cat, the goose and the dog. Then Goat and Snake arrived. Oh, this looks like a lovely place to get cozy, they said. And Goat and Snake wriggled in with Mummy Bear and Baby Bear, the rabbits, cat, goose and dog. Trumpety, trumpety, trump. In stomped the elephant. Wow, that's what I call cozy, he said. Look, so Elephant cozied up with Goat and Snake and Mummy Bear and Baby Bear, the rabbits, cat, goose and dog. Pitter patter, along came a mouse. Oh, hi, cozy, he said. And Mouse climbed right to the tip of the elephant's trunk. Can you see? Hi, Tickly. Tis you. Look, all the animals have been blown off. So sneezy, meowed the cat. So noisy, snuffled the rabbit. So trumpety, squawked Goose. So scary, gruffed Mummy Bear and Baby Bear. So bluey, said Goat and Snake. And Elephant, Goat and Snake, Mummy Bear and Baby Bear and rabbits, cat and goose all ran away. All except Dog. So quiet, thought Dog. Pitter patter. Mouse came back and he snuggled up with Dog in their warm, comfy bed. Now this is cozy, said Mouse. Ever so cozy, said Dog, and they fell fast